As the Ami doesn't come with a spare wheel or tyre, it doesn't even come with a repair kit, I'm going to be fitting some of this goop into my tyres. It's a puncture preventative. It's basically a glycol mixture with shredded rubber in it, and if you get a hole in your tyre, in the tread, it seeps into the hole, plugs it up and stops any leaks. I've used it in several of my cars. Seems to work alright. So this is a 1 litre bottle, which should do all 4 tyres. It recommends that you put 250 millilitres in each tyre and then pump them back up again. So it recommends you turn your tyre to the valves at the 8 o'clock position here, and then let the air out and take the core out of the valve. First thing I'll do is try and extract my take off the wheel hub rim, take off the wheel trims, should I say, the valves here. They come out. The stopper comes complete with a removal tool for your valve core. Just wipe off the goop off there, and then screw it into the valve core. There it comes. Take the valve core right out. Let it fully deflate. Just about all the air out of it. Push that on there, and then squeeze in 250 millilitres. See how we're doing. Yeah, there we are. That's about there. It's only about 125. Just about there. Should do for that one. I like to blow any of the excess material back in so it doesn't affect the valve. And it's a case of screwing the valve back in using a little tool. That's it. And then re-inflate. Handy having an airline. There we go. Put the valve cap back on. Line up the cutout for the valve. Out there somewhere, and then jerk that, it's back on. And then repeat the other 3 wheels.